Alright, here are all the ways you can make money from your own simple blog, okay? And I'll start from the least complicated and I'll go to more advanced kung fu stuff. Okay, so the simplest thing you can ever do is put an ad on anything. You slap an ad on anything, on your forehead, on your website, and okay, you're good. You're making a little bit of money, but with ads it's always disappointing revenue because you have to have such scale to generate any reasonable income that ads are like last resort-ish kind of a thing. What you really want to be doing is something, what's next is like selling products. You can sell your own product, book, course, what am I forgetting? Book, course, maybe in my case it's like mobile apps, but not everybody can make mobile apps, so that's kind of an obscure thing. Then those products, right? Okay, if you cannot or if you don't want to, well, actually, whether you sell your own products or not, you can also sell products of others because you cannot make every kind of product, right? So if your consumers need some sort of product, you can resell products made by others called affiliate marketing. So now you have ads, selling your own products, reselling products made by others. That's pretty good. Let's get better. Then what you want to do is on your blog generating a following, people who read your stuff regularly. They might want to join various groups you form. Community groups, mastermind groups, coaching groups, and coaching can be like one-on-one or one-to-many, right? Things like that. That's really the next step. If you can get people to get into your groups, it's sort of the next step of how well you're monetizing your blog. Okay, so that's really how. Can't think of any other ways. I'll shoot this video and I'll be done with the video, and then I'll be like, I forgot one way. But I think that's pretty much the progression of a blog, right? Ads, your products, affiliate products, group coaching, teaching, group things. And group things are really good because they're usually subscription based. So even if I'm forgetting anything, if you do those, you should be monetizing your blog at a very lucrative rate. Okay, so that's what you got to do.